loves, I am Priti. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a makeup tutorial, but before that please do subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Without further ado, let's get into the video. As always, we are going to start with this Kryalon concealer in a shade Ivory, and I'm going to apply this with my damp beauty blender. As you could see right here, lighting is not that good, so that is why I have edited my like little bit of lighting stuff. Please let me know, do I look little bit orangish or blackish? Please. For first shadow, I took this pinkish maroonish like peach type of color, and I'm going to apply this to edge of my lid. By the way, the palette that I have used is a LA Color Sweet 16 palette, and I'm going to apply this color all over my eyelid, as you could see right here. Then I'm going to use this lipstick. It's called Bombshell Red by Revlon Cosmetic, and I'm going to apply this with fluffy blending brush. I'm going to slowly and steadily build up the intensity. This color is little bit like a pinkish with a purple type of color, and it has little bit of more glossy effect. Normally for everyday purpose you could actually use this type of lipstick if it is like a dewy finish type of color. Then I'm going to take this golden color and pack it to center of my lid and like create a really soft cut crease effect without using concealer. This is a really flat brush. I will suggest of using like a setting spray before applying this, but this one did work for me somehow. I tried to make it work actually, but if you have a setting spray, then please use that before application. That way intensity will look really beautiful, like it will give you a lot more radiant goldenish effect. Then we will take this shimmer pinkish color, and first I'm going to apply this with a flat brush just to the edge, as you can see right over there. Don't want to drag it down or like outside. I want to create a really soft arch. This will create like a guideline for our blending process. Then we will take that bombshell red again and blend out our edges right there. Then for wing liner, I use this Maybelline gel liner in black, and I applied this one with this nail art brush. In case if you want to learn 6 ways of applying wing liner, then I will leave my tutorial into eye section where you guys could check that video out. You can learn how many ways you would apply a wing liner. That way it will be a lot more easy for you if you are beginner. But I will leave some link into my description box about the product that I have used or mentioned into this video, just so that you guys could know exactly what product I have used instead of getting a little bit more confused. All of them are like drugstore products. Then to curl my lashes, I use this Maybelline lash curler. I bought this recently. And for mascara, again I took this Maybelline Slim Skinny mascara, I think so. Again, I will leave a link into my description box where you guys could see exact products. But this one is really nice. I mean, the bristles that I'm using are like a little bit tilted and really tiny, so application gets a lot more easy. Then moving on to face, I use this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and it's in travel size. I'm extremely sorry for this lighting weird effect. Um, Lately I'm trying to use like a natural light. Then for face I use this Kryalon concealer, and over to the top I will be using like an NG1 contour shade to balance out my color. You will notice first we will apply this with our fingers. Then this is the NG1 contour shade. We will blend both of these out with a damp beauty blender. I have done a review about this beauty blender which I will leave a link. You could check that video into my eye section. I have a little bit of teeth pain going on right there. That is why I am checking if I could do my blending properly or not. Especially to that area, I am having a little bit of pain for my teeth, so I'm being a little bit more careful about it. Then for bronzer, I use this Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. First, I'm going to bronze my nose. Then for cheeks, I use that same one. This bronzer does comes with a brush, but I personally don't like to use it because it gets little bit difficult for me to wash that brush. That is why I like to use my own stuffs. Then for blush, I use this Smashbox blush palette, and I took that peach shade. This is one of the favorite palette of mine ever. Like, I don't want to invest into anything else because the quality of Smashbox is really good. Then for inner corner highlighter, I use that mocassin shade, which is like a goldenish color. Brow bone, cheekbone, nose, almost every single place of my face. Then for lower lash line, I took that brownish color and like apply with this flat, really tiny brush. But this brush is really harsh and like rough. So instead, if you have anything like a little bit more fluffy and soft, that will give you a lot better application. I personally don't like to apply mascara that often. I try my best to look a lot more natural whenever I'm going out. That is why I sometimes also skip applying mascara, and instead of that I put on like a lashes. For lips, I use that peach color, and I'm going to apply this with a flat brush. This one is also a nail art brush, but you could actually apply this with your fingers. Then this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also follow me onto my socials. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next. And yeah, bye.